Okay, let's get started. So when we want to make a journal entry, we're going to go to new, and we have customers, vendors, employees, and other. Under other, you'll see journal entry. So click journal entry. And here's where we make the journal entry. So we want a journal date. This could be, it all depends on what your accountant said or what the entry is for. But nonetheless, you can edit the date here. You could give it a journal number. It will auto fill. In this case, it's 2 because we already have 1. But if I wanted to make it hypothetically 202, just type it in, and as you can see now, the journal entry number is 202. This is a reference number. Here we have the accounts, and here we have the debit, the credit, any notes, and who it is for. So I'm gonna say that I am I'm making an entry for fuel. I'm gonna credit the bank account because we are reducing it, and debiting the fuel account because we're increasing it. Here you can write a note, company car fuel. I would write a more detailed note, but nonetheless. And it was for this customer. And then once it's all set, if you want to write a memo for the entire journal entry, this is for the description for each line for the entire. And if you want to attach a document, simply drag and drop to this area and it will attach it to this journal entry. Once you are done, you can hit save, save and new if you're going to do a second journal entry, or save and close if you are done. And simple, just like that, is how you create a journal entry in QuickBooks Online.